body and a glass front. It might be overused, yes, but we still think it's a timeless look. The Honor 7X pulls it off magnificently in every aspect, and we'll enjoy every bit of it, before the iPhone-inspired wireless charging-friendly devices come pouring in. The only other exterior segment on the Honor 7X is a 2.5D front glass, which tucks away neatly into the frame itself, which is another really pleasant design choice. It's a Gorilla Glass, but Honor doesn't reveal which generation. Whatever the glass may be, the better part of the surface underneath it is occupied by a trendy new extra-wide, 5.9-inch, 18:9 panel. We really appreciate Honor stuck with Full HD, instead of saving a few bucks by going with a lower resolution. But, more on that later. The top of the Honor 7X is pretty empty, save for a tiny hole for a secondary noise-canceling microphone. On the bottom, the microSD port, we already whined about, along with a single speaker. In all fairness, we can't realistically expect a stereo setup at this price point. Thankfully, what is included is a good old 3.5mm audio jack. A rear-mounted fingerprint reader is also part of the mix. In keeping with its solid reputation in this area, Huawei equipped the Honor 7X with a very snappy and accurate scanner. Naturally, it is always on and can unlock the phone from standby. The Honor 7X packs a 5.9 inches IPS LCD with an 18:9 aspect ratio, quite similar to the one on the Mate 10 Lite. It is a very decent panel, and we particularly appreciate Honor hasn't gone for a lower than 1080p resolution.